Alright, in this video, you will learn how to get homework help, alright, with Google Chrome. And here, we're going to solve a simple mathematics using the Google Chrome. Okay, it will show you the steps and how to get the results. So let me show you the picture we are going to be working with. Okay, so look at this. I'll double click on it. And you can see this diagram. Let's assume I'm in secondary school and I don't know how to get the answer to this. Google Chrome can help you get that. So what you need to do is to make what you need answer on to be in picture form, just like this one. And from there, we take other steps. So let's continue. I will then open my web browser, and in this case, I'll be using Google Chrome for this. As the browser opens, you will see on this homepage, you see this lens icon. Okay, if maybe your browser have a different homepage, what you need to do is in this search area, type google.com and search. Okay, so once you search google.com, you will be landed here. Okay, you can still see the lens icon. So click on that. Then click on upload a file. Now navigate to the folder where you saved that picture that you need homework help on. All right, you can see this one here. It's a triangle. I'll click on that and click on open. You can see it has been placed here. And now Google has now, showed us the steps to get the answer to this. Okay, and at the end, you can see the steps it showed us x equals 76, which is the correct answer. So anytime you have maybe an assignment and you feel like it's so difficult, let Google Lens help you to do that. This is updated, so it's a new feature in Google. If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on information technology. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button. Thank you and see you some other time.